Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss a case law on NDPS Act, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. Whether NCB officials, Narcotic Control Bureau officials or police or not, as per section 3 of 53 of the NDPS Act. This is the subject of discussion, and Supreme Court also said yes. Right, while dealing with the case of Balwinder Singh alias Binda, versus Narcotic Control Bureau. Second, Satnam Singh versus Narcotic Control Bureau in criminal appeal number 1136 and 37 by 2014. So, Honorable two judges bench, Madam Hima Kohli and B. R. Gawai, on 22/9/2023, just day before yesterday, they held that NCB are also police officers. Therefore, confession given before them is hit by section 25 of the Indian Evidence Act. Finish. Why? So, before learning the legal point, let us have a cursory look towards the facts of the case. Better. Right. So, both the so-called, first let us, on 11/12/2005, the so-called Narcotic Control Bureau in Chandigarh. So, they received credible information that an ambassador car is coming from Amritsar to Chandigarh with heroin packets or with heroin content. So the police immediately started Nakabandi. So they have actually conducted surprise raids in the particular area, and they were conducting vehicle search. Ultimately, on seeing the police, our friend with Balwant Singh, another, he went away, but Satnam Singh was found driving. He was found in the car. The police checked the car and found heroin packets even in the personal possession of Satnam Singh also. They seized the car, they arrested him, and they have recorded the statement. Here the main point, section 53. So section 53 of the NDPS Act says, if any persons are invested with the powers of the officer in charge of a police station, then they are equal to police officers. So the intention of the section 53 is not only the police, the NCB, the excise, central excise, these people also can act and recover the property. For that purpose, section 53 is introduced. So section 53 invested the powers of the officer in charge of police station to some narcotic drug, because special powers should be given to them. So they can investigate cases just like officer in charge. So here, but when you are officer in charge, when you are a police officer, the evidence, the confession given before the police is inadmissible. Of course, as per NDPS Act, if the superintendent of police records the confession statement, it is valid. Here, the NCB officials, so they conducted the search, they found, and this man, Satnam Singh, has given a confession regarding the involvement of Binda alias Balwinder Singh also, who escaped. Ultimately, he was also caught, arrested, and all of them were charged in section 8, read with section 20B and 21 other sections of the NDPS Act. The trial court, examining about 15 witnesses, convinced and convicted the accused Binda, that is Balwinder Singh, to life sentence till the end of his life. Second man to 12 years. So agreed by this, they approached the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana. There also their petition application appeals were dismissed. Now the matter came before the Supreme Court. In the Supreme Court, very critical point, section 53, 67, 54, these sections, they came into play. See, the Supreme Court advocate very simply stated that, my lord, they are police officers under section 53 of the NDPS Act. The confession given by Satnam Singh regarding the involvement of Binda or Balwinder Singh is not hit by section 25 of the Indian Evidence Act. Finish. And please remember, the confession record under 67. So since they are police officer, 67 is head. So presumption, 54 is the presumption. Presumption regarding the possession of the so-called NDPS. Now, when a particular item is found in the possession of so-and-so, definitely the court has to presume. But the presumption before that, section 53 is there. So they are police officers. When the confession is given, it is hit by section 25. So therefore, the presumption also cannot be drawn. So the police or the so-called NCB people, they could not prove the case beyond all reasonable doubt against Balwinder Singh alias Binda, but because nothing was found in possession. He was lugged in only basing on the confession of the co-accused. No doubt subsequently, so basing on the confession, they might have recovered something. That confession itself is void because it was given in the presence of the police. Ultimately, no doubt, the case against Satnam Singh holds good. He has to undergo 12 years, but Binda is lucky enough to get acquittal. The appeal against Binda is allowed, whereas Satnam Singh not allowed. Supreme Court has taken two divergent opinions in the particular case regarding A1 and A2. So one is totally acquitted, second is his conviction is upheld. So please read the case law with all care and caution, then only you will understand the intricacies, particularly if you have to learn about section 53, 54 and 67 of the NDPS Act 1989. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.